Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. As we all know, first we will go to our Instagram app. Then we will tap on the down right corner. Then after that we will tap on the three lines which is located in the top right corner. Then we will tap on account center. Then we will scroll down until we get your information and permission button. Then we tap on it. Then we tap on download your information button. Then we tap on download or transfer information. Then we tap some of your information. Then it will show us a choice of things that we want to recover. In our case, we press message, then press next. Then download to device and press next. Then we tap on the email that we want to notify us when our file is ready. Then we choose our preferred format. Then we choose our preferred media quality as well. After that, we choose the date range. Then we press save. Then click create files. Then go to your Gmail account and download your information. When it's downloaded, there you can see your deleted message on Instagram messages. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.